All right, welcome back, Principles of Engineering, PLTW. We are going to cover over this 3.1.6 real quick. There is no PowerPoint, so this is going to be a pretty quick video. But if you go through here, make sure you take quick note on what the difference is between an open loop system and a closed loop system. So think about it like this. A closed dryer is an open loop system because the process provides no feedback. You punch in 20 minutes, all right, and come back later. Or a microwave. You put your food in, you touch the 5 minutes, come back 5 minutes later, your food is either done or not done. A closed loop system is something that has feedback. So newer closed dryers or washing machines, things like that, let's say like a new dryer for your clothes, have moisture sensors in them. So you can set your timer, but it's also going to measure the amount of moisture in the air within the dryer. And based off the feedback the sensors are giving, it will either add time or reduce the amount of time in your dryer. So that's the difference between an open loop and a closed loop system. So one has feedback and the other does not. Using your test beds and being in the group that you're currently in or have been in, okay, you're going to modify your test bed so that the left motor has a gear attached as shown. There's this little standoff with a screw, and you're going to take that and put it on your gear assembly as shown. And you're going to take a limit switch and put it on here. What this limit switch is going to do is basically, as the gear rotates, that standoff is going to press the limit switch in. Once the limit switch goes in, it'll tell it, hey, the limit switch is 1, and it'll rotate or change the direction. So you're creating a closed loop system by adding that limit switch. And you're going to test the program to make sure that it works as it should. Okay. So you're going to write a program that oscillates the motor half a second each way 20 times. And using that program, you are going to do it without having the limit switch. Okay. So don't do the limit switch yet. Make your program. This is an open loop program here to start. So just write a program that oscillates the motor half a second each way 20 times. Then you're going to make a closed loop program afterwards. All right, pretty straightforward. Answer the questions, work together. If you have questions, talk to your other groups, talk to the substitute. If I have the ability to answer email, I'll try to answer emails. Otherwise, have a good day. That's all I got. Pretty simple.